Hello, it's Paul from Black Hawk Distribution, and we're just going to follow on from the last video. As the game is in play, you can see it timing down as we see. Just wanted to show you this is a live game, so if you just go into that sort of little box there and click on, you can see the games as they're shooting and as they're scoring live. So we know blue team's got 30, red's now 10. That's going up as we speak. If you want to make it slightly bigger, you can just put it into a new tab, and there we are, the live game playing on. So you can sort of comment on the game. Sort of, for instance, for now, you would probably say, you know, bottom blue's great, red team, you need to carry on, and all that kind of thing. It just gives you an idea of how that is actually working. And I just wanted to show you that sort of aspect of the game. It's quite useful at times. So we can click back off there. If we wanted to stop the game, it would have a timeout after the 5 minutes. Once it gets to there, the games would shut off, or I can just press the red button here, and it would give me two options. The guns have now switched off, so the players can't use them, and we've got a replay and a download. The download, you just press that, it would download all the hits and everything off the guns. We know from our screen what the scores were. But it's now official on the scoreboard, and you can bring that up and talk over. If you've got a TV, you can now talk to the players about who's done what. So player A's done really well there, top player, and vice versa. The negatives there, because we penalise friendly fire, they're shooting their own players, so you can advise that's what's happening. So it'll then give you the option to replay, so you can just press replay, confirm, and it will bring you back to that start screen. So you can replay now that game completely again if you wish, or if you wanted to play a different game, you just go back into your sessions and remember the session thing here. So you can just pick another game if you wish, and we'll do we've done capture the flag, so we'll do Black Hawk Down next. And again, this is a configured game that we've set ourselves, so we know it's all right. We press start, the players are already in. We just press start, and this is a free-for-all. Everybody's playing for themselves. It'll give them a 2 to 3 second leeway. That's counted down, and now the game started. So all these players now is a free-for-all, so they're just a matter of shooting themselves. And again, it'll time out after the 5 minutes, or we can just stop. Download data again. And there we are, and then we can just replay. And again, we can just play that game again. And vice versa, if we wanted to go back to capture the flag, just go back to that. If we go into, we're just playing capture the flag or domination or whatever now, it's just by a matter of clicking on and off those games, it will just load those games and the players automatically into that game for you. If we want some players changing, so like player 1 wants to play with player 4, we could just drag and drop them into the games, and vice versa, or you can just move them back again. If you've got a player that's come out, all you need to do is drag and drop into the center there, highlight that box, and the player will disappear. Thank you for listening. This is Black Hawk Distribution videos again. Watch out for the next one. Thank you very much.